guys, thanks for coming to check out today's video. So this video is all about a new synthetic wig and I'm very excited to show it to you guys, so make sure you keep on watching. Alright you guys, so this is the new unit. This unit is from Zury. It's in the color Somme RT Peach and it is their wig called Marie, and this unit was sent to me by Glamourtress, so thank you so much Glamourtress for sponsoring this video. And if you're curious about the unit that I'm rocking right now, I do have a review up on my channel about this one, so you can definitely click up here or in the information box to learn more about this one, but make sure you keep on watching this review first. Here is what the stock card for Zury's The Dream Marie. So this wig can be shifted on 3 different sides. So it can be shifted on the left, in the middle, or on the right. Right away, this unit does not have any lace to cut off. It only has the lace parting space. And I think the lace parting space looks really, really good. So as long as you have like a nude color cap or a middle part in your braids, you should be good. The line of demarcation isn't too bad here, and there are some baby hairs, not too many. It's very, very fine, but I like that because that's really all that you need. So yes, you have 2 combs right by the part, 1 comb in the back, and your 2 adjustable straps. So I'm going to go ahead and just hook those together, because with the part being able to be shifted, I don't think I'm going to use the combs. So this is what the curl pattern looks like. So it's a nice wavy unit and it does have layers in it as well. And it does have your dark roots. I think the dark roots look really good. The only thing I'll say about the color is, to me, it's reading very pink. And I would expect peach to be a little more, you know, a shift to orange as opposed to pink. But yeah, it's just reading a slightly bit pink to me, but I guess it is peach. I'm just being picky. Oh wow, the cap seems really, really big. So this is definitely good. It's definitely a big head friendly unit for all my ladies out there with a larger, or men out there with a larger size head. This will definitely work out for you. And you do have the little baby hairs here, so that's always a plus. I mean, you don't have to worry about cutting baby hairs. So this unit is cute. It's just an easy, quick throw on and go unit. You do have to deal with the line of demarcation here. It's very thick here. All these tracks here are like laid together and it's very thick around the edge. It's thinner over here on the edge, but like right here next to the part is very thick. So I don't really care for that because I feel like it's kind of like sitting on the top of my head and it's not flat. But I do like the waves. I think the waves are really pretty, and pastel hair is so on trend right now. Like, it doesn't get any trendier in hair. Pastel. It is nice and long, but it's not too long, and I do like the layers. So to me, this is just a really fun summer vibe type of hair. Depending on the price point, you know, you could kind of overlook this, but this is kind of a big deal to me. Like, it is raised up a lot off of your head, and no matter if you flat iron it or not, it's not really gonna lay down any more than that, even if you do try to flat iron it. But I do like the unit and I do like the color. I think the dark roots are really pretty. Not too long of a dark root. The roots are very, very well placed. I like it. So let me know what you guys think of Miss Zury Marie and Som RT Peach. I'd love for you guys to sound off in the comments down below. Make sure you are subscribed to this YouTube channel so that you never miss any content, and make sure you turn on post notifications. Alright you guys, I'll see you in the next one, and make sure you stay tuned for the slow-mo. So lit.